to fix echo on Discord. If you're having echoes on Discord, especially during voice chat, you can fix it using these settings. So here is how to do it. First of all, go to the browser and go to the discord.com and make sure you are logged into your Discord account. Now all you have to do is, at the bottom right next to your username, tap on the gear icon, settings, and navigate to your user settings. Now here in the left hand side panel, scroll down and tap on the voice and video option available in there. Now, once you tap on the voice and video, all you have to do is again scroll down and tap on the echo cancellation option available in there. So make sure that you toggle on that switch. So even with the echo cancellation turned on, the best fix is to use earphones, headphones, because this will prevent sounds from your speakers from looping back into your mic. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.